Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to take a trip along the journey of skincare today. So I'm gonna do my morning routine with you guys to show you what products I use to get the glowing skin that I have. Jokes. Everyone's skin is a work in progress, so I have mixed and matched a whole lot of things just to ensure that the skin in the mornings and at night is getting the best that it can get. So I wanted to share it with you guys, so stay tuned if you're interested in watching. So these are the products that I use. Some of them, well, most of them are used for my morning and night routine, but when you want to do a little self-care, yeah, we are gonna start with the coffee and sugar scrub. This is homemade. As you can see, I made it with coffee ground and sugar and a little bit of essential oil. So I already applied it on my face because I didn't want to blind myself while applying it. And you just go around in a circular motion, making sure that it penetrates your skin and is used as an exfoliant. This product is amazing and natural. So now we're gonna wash off our face, pat it dry, and continue to do the mask. This mask is from Rosen. It is a charcoal face mask and it has a bit of tea tree in there, so tea tree and charcoal is a winning combo. You just add it to dry skin, and it says that blackheads, oily skin, and small bumps are always a pain. This mask uses charcoal and bentonite clay, which can help shrink pores, absorbs excess oils, and smooths out any uneven skin texture. As you can see, I'm putting it on, and it's a thin layer. You don't need much, and it just helps a lot. So now we're going to move on to Rosen's Super Smoothie Cleanser. This is a punch packer. Like, it cleans my face, it cleans off makeup, it cleans off quite a bit of everything. So you just add a little bit on your cleansing brush and you're good to go. You apply it to wet skin and you just work along the face in a circular motion. Make sure that everything is well taken care of and you are good to go. I mean, it's very massaging and it deep cleans at the same time, so it's really a good thing to have when you are working on your face. So we dry off again and we're ready to apply the toner. Again, this is from Good Molecule. It says to dispense onto a cotton pad and gently sweep over clean skin. It has all sorts of beneficial ingredients to make sure that the skin is brightened and it improves the appearance of enlarged pores. And I personally have found this to be true because my pores look quite reduced when using this product over the time. And for a toner, it is very moisturizing, so it doesn't leave my face stripping or white, so I really like this. So we're not finished yet, guys. We are gonna do the discolorating correcting serum. This is a gold mine in a bottle. It is said and proven to target hyperpigmentation and promote an even skin tone. As you can see, look at my face. Because of my hyperpigmentation, I've had a lot of problems with uneven skin tone, and this range of products have been helping. So finally, we're going to move on to the moisturizer. This is the silicone free priming moisturizer, and it's formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. I am going to go in with my jade roller that just helps the moisturizer go deeper into my pores and leave my skin just feeling fresh. So there you have it, guys. Bye.